complete a pest report within CBOSS, you'll go into your job detail. You'll then go into the pest report tab. The first thing that you need to do is create a report, because as you can see at the moment, there's no pest report created for job 4307. So we click the create report button. And what that does is it goes and drags in the preset data that we've input to make the pest report creation process that little bit easier. So as you're working through your pest report, you'll need to go down below and click on each of the drop-down zones to complete your report. So we're going to look at our description and exclusions. So we've set up some predefined data, and if you're happy with this, you can simply leave it, or you can update as required. So all other pests, we're going to say not specified in sections below. We click on the update button, and what it asks you to do is just confirm that you're happy to update the data. So we are. We can then move on to completing the pests that we've found. So we are selecting ants, and we found ants in. We found them in the barbecue area, exterior walls, and the garage. And we also found some rodents. And the rodents were found in the subfloor, in the sheds and the roof cavity. So we then need to specify the products that we've used. So we are going to type in some products. And we've used TriStar, we've used 0.25 of that. Next, we're going to modify the settings. So what you can see here is that there's a default vacation period, warranty, and post-treatment pest activity. To update those, simply click on the edit button, and you can update as required. We're then going to modify our conditions. So there was no clouds. The weather was fine. The wind speed was 5 kilometers an hour. The wind direction was north. And the temperature was a balmy 13 degrees. So then at this point, we've completed the pest report, and we need to get the customer's signature to sign the document off. So we simply get the customer's name, get them to sign off, and complete the job. Now at this point, you're then able to generate or email the pest report. So if we want to generate the pest report, we click and it opens up to the page. And we can save it by right-clicking on the document and doing a save as. You can see everything that we've input has come into the pest report. Now we've got a couple of minor issues that we're going to be resolving, and we need to upload some signatures for your guides. Or you can choose to email the pest report by clicking email, putting in the email you'd like to send it to, clicking on send, and the customer is then sent an email from Acacia with their pest report.